Yo, what's going on YouTube? My name is Kenyon. I own a custom t-shirt printing business. And today I'm gonna take you guys along with me for the day. We're gonna print a few t-shirt orders we got over the weekend. We have a lot of work to get done. Before we get started, I just wanna say thank you guys so much for hitting 5,000 subscribers. This channel is growing very quickly thanks to you. And let's go ahead and get to work. All right guys, so we have 25 orders over the weekend. We're gonna go ahead and knock all these out. First of all, I just wanna say thank you guys so much to all you guys who ordered. All right, so step number one for me is gonna be to order the t-shirts. I get them from a place called TSC Apparel, which is in Fullerton, California. All right, so right now what I have to do is go onto the website and download all of my my picking list is what it's called. I'll go ahead and print it out and show you guys. All right guys, so that's what my packing list looks like. It actually went ahead and printed over here. And basically this tells me the quantity of t-shirts I have to order along with the sizes and the colors. So I kind of wish this step was automated, but we ain't there yet. We will be one day. So it's gonna take me at least like 15 minutes to go ahead and manually put all this in. All right guys, so all the t-shirt orders are in. I just gotta wait 3 hours before I can go pick these up. Unfortunately, since the COVID virus is going around, it's really messing up these t-shirt companies. And they're actually sold out of 3XL and 4XL. So whenever that happens, I have to just find a new supplier that has them. All right, but anyway, the next thing I have to do is go ahead and process all the artwork. And honestly, this is kind of tedious. This is what takes me the longest amount of time because I literally have to go through every single piece of artwork just to make sure that it's correctly formatted for the printer. All right guys, so the artwork took me about 45 minutes to process. Wasn't too bad. The next thing I gotta do is make sure everything is up and running with the printer, the heat press over there, and then the pre-treat machine. So this right here is my t-shirt printer. It costs almost as much as a car, and it's definitely the most expensive thing I've ever purchased. But the cool thing about it is it could print full color HD images onto t-shirts. Let me go ahead and show you guys some of the t-shirts we printed with it. The next thing for the printer is, if you guys see right there, it says head cleaning set is nearing end of life. All that means is I have to just go ahead and get ready to replace this little part right here. This part is about $120 and it also replaces this part right here. All right guys, so right now we're gonna go ahead and take off and we're gonna pick up the part we need for the DTG printer just to get it out the way. Let's go. Thank you.
My pleasure.
Thank you. All right guys, so I got everything I needed. Now I'm just gonna go home and chill for a little bit because we have about an hour until the t-shirts are gonna be ready to be picked up. So I'll get back to you guys as soon as the t-shirts are ready. All right guys, so it's later in the day. We made it to TSC Apparel. I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys the outside of the warehouse really quick, just so you, just in case any of you are like using them as a supplier, you'll know where to go. The pickup place is actually right over there. I just parked here to show you the front. But my battery's about to die. I'm gonna try and get as much footage as I can. Okay guys, so we're back in the warehouse. All we gotta do now is start pre-treating the t-shirts and getting them printed. I'm gonna try and get you guys as much footage as possible, but I'm definitely gonna be grinding, so like, I'm gonna have to keep the camera just like hung up somewhere. We have about 25 different orders and that's roughly about 30 t-shirts, so I'm gonna try and knock them all out within the next, let's say 3 hours, just because it's been a long time since I've done this. I'll check in with you guys as soon as I get some t-shirts printed. I always wear gloves because we got COVID-19 going on right now. Alright guys, so the first thing I like to start with is getting the t-shirts in order. That way everything will just run super smooth. So that's what you guys can see me doing right here. And next up, before I can actually print any of the t-shirts, I have to go ahead and pre-treat every single one of them. So the first thing I like to do is heat press them, and then I'll move them over to the pre-treat machine right here. And after that, they go straight back onto the heat press. And from there, I can go ahead and print them. Alright guys, so just in case anyone's new and wondering what's happening right now, the printer is printing a white underbase for the design. It's going to do this twice, and then finally the third layer is going to be the color layer. Alright, so next up I like to fold the t-shirt and then get it into a t-shirt bag. so just in case anyone's wondering how my website works, basically people upload pictures of themselves, their dogs, or their designs, and then I print it out for them. So you guys can expect to see a very wide variety of designs. Alright guys, so it's been about 30 minutes. We knocked out a ton of t-shirts. We got 6 complete right here, which if you guys don't know, for DTG, that's pretty quick. I had to redo one t-shirt. Let me go ahead and show you guys what that is really quick. It was this one right here. This is actually the dud. I know you guys can't see too well, but the picture is like super saturated with ink. It's not very detailed. So I went ahead and reprinted it, and here's the reprint. Came out clean, nice and crisp. The higher the resolution for the image that you upload, the nicer it'll come out, trust me. That printer can print super HD if it has an HD image to print. All right, and right now this thing is actually doing a little cleaning cycle. That's kind of what stopped me. Okay, so it just ended, but every like 6 hours it has to do a cleaning cycle that takes forever. But I'm gonna get back to work. I'll catch you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so I just got finished bagging all the t-shirts. We got them all on this shelf right here. Let me go ahead and show you guys all the cool designs that we got. Alright, so my next step is going to be to go ahead and throw the shipping label on. So I'm going to go ahead and get that done, and I'll get back to you guys as soon as I finish with that. Okay, so here's the giant mess I made shipping all these out. And here are all the t-shirts. I put them in this bin. Woo! Thank you guys so much, like seriously. All right, so I would take them to the post office right now, but unfortunately, since COVID's going around, they have issues keeping people from breaking into the mailboxes overnight. So instead of keeping it open 24 hours, they close it down at like 6 o'clock. And that pretty much sums up my entire day, guys. Like, I hope you enjoyed it. If you guys want to buy a custom t-shirt, website's in the description. Every single order right now is giving you a ticket to win the $4,000 DTG printer. That ends September 1st, so make sure you enter before then. And my name is Kenyon. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace.